In order to enable or disable auto screen rotation on your iPhone, where you can flip your iPhone or video can be shown in full screen mode like this, if you want to lock it to where it just stays in portrait mode, you have to enable a setting on your iPhone. So if we swipe down from the upper right-hand corner of our device, we will see an option here that looks like a lock with a circle arrow around it. I'm going to highlight it now. This right here, this feature is called Portrait Orientation Lock, and right now if it's turned on and enabled, if I go back to Safari and try to flip my phone over, it doesn't allow me to do that because Portrait Lock is turned on. If, however, you don't see the Portrait Orientation Lock feature, what you want to do is when you're in your command center here, what you want to do is in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a little addition symbol. Tap that symbol and then go to Add a Control at the very bottom. And then just start typing the word orientation, and as you can see, the orientation lock setting will come available. You tap on that and it will add that to your control panel. All you have to do is tap that to enable or lock your screen, and then untap it to disable or unlock your screen where you can actually rotate it. If you have any questions, I'll have a frequently asked question down below. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.